Casement windows are our most popular window range. The benefit is a super slim frame as the handle is positioned in the glazing bead of the window to maximise glass. Casement windows have the highest security rating on the market with a Secure by Design accreditation. All our windows offer large opening sashes, restricted hinge for safety and security, night locking ventilation, internal beading and lockable handles. We have many available options within our window range: trickle vents, fire escape hinges and integral blinds. We have a thermal brake incorporated into our window to improve the thermal efficiency.